Hey guys, today I have this really old school get ready with me and I'm gonna get started really quick. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel just yet, make sure you do so today. Follow my other social medias and watch my previous videos. All right, I'm gonna start with the Cover FX blurring primer and I'm gonna place this on my T-zone area because that's where I need it the most. I'm gonna follow that with the Bare Minerals Fresh Face Foundation. I'm going to apply it, blend it out with my fingers, and then I'm going to use the L'Oreal sponge to blend that out. For my concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Nude because it works for me. I like to use this for my dark circles. And I'm going to do the same thing, warm it up with my finger, and then blend it out with the beauty sponge. For my highlight, I'm going to be using the Sephora Bright Futures Concealer, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Blend it out with my finger and then blend it some more with the beauty sponge. And I'm just placing this in the spots that I want highlighted. I'm going to be setting all these concealers with the RCMA translucent powder using a wet beauty sponge, which I'm still using the L'Oreal sponge. For my bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Light Bronze. I love, 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 love this bronzer, and I'm using a fluffy brush for this application. As you can see, I like to tap it on, and I'm gonna do like a number 3 on my face, which you guys already know the deal. This is what I always do, nothing new. I'm going to continue using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to give my eye some definition. I just grabbed a fluffy brush, which is just a blending brush, and I'm going to apply this onto my upper crease, blending it from outer to inner corner. Like I said, I just want to add a little bit of definition to my eye because it was pretty flat. And now, as you can see, it's a little bit better. I'm also going to be applying the butter bronzer on my lower lashes from outer to inner corner. And I'm going to connect it to the top lid. Here I'm just using a Makeup Geek pencil brush. For my blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Apricot in the middle, and I'm just going to stipple this all over the place because I love blush, and this one is specific. It gives me a nice, beautiful glow to the face since it does have a little bit of a highlight in it. It's gorgeous, you guys. For my actual highlight, I'm using this Bronze Essentials Beauty Basics. As you can see, it has different shades in there. It's more of a bronzer slash highlight. So I'm just going to use the gold part to highlight the sections of my face I want highlighted. I'm also going to highlight my inner tear duct area with this same exact gold shade using my finger, and I'm just going to stamp it right there. I'm using minimal products today because, you know, it's a nice and simple look. For my lashes, I'm using the Double Decker Lashes by Butter London, which I've had for a while and just started using it, and I love the mascara. It's very good. On the lips, I'm using the Wet n Wild What's Up Dark Lipstick in Orange. Such a beautiful shade, you guys. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you are subscribed, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. Until next time, mwah, hugs and kisses. Bye.